all the content is available. We are into offline training, we are into online training, as well as self-paced trainings also available in our this thing. Yeah, this is the mobile application. The links are already available with you. Some of the people have messaged yesterday, also today, also someone during the meeting they called me. They told me, sir, where the videos can be available. The key features of this is, one is video quality can be adjusted according to the internet speed. A lot of people won't prefer online because the buffering keeps on happening. So I find out this tool where the buffering should not happen, and the video quality also auto tuned according to the speed of the internet of the audience. That is the unique feature we are having in this mobile app. And you can ask any questions also based on the trainers availability. They will reply that questions. And you can add the project drawings as well as the PDF and a presentation, any mode we can attach. That is one unique feature. And we kept a e-library also, where some of the books, project management books and other things, IS course, all these things are available over there. And we are regularly posting the construction news and the job updates also in the newsfeed section. You can also go through that one. And I wanted to share this workshop calendar for you people. Maybe some of the people may be interested in the coming month, because May tomorrow starting. We have an extensive workshop, 5 workshops we have planned. These workshops we are conducting since last April onwards, we have started, and almost 13, 14 workshops we have conducted. Maybe a couple of workshops in a month, maybe 2 or 3 also we have conducted. One is quantity takeoff. Mr. Anantanarayanan, having around 43 years of experience. Yes, like how I made the sheets, he also made it some sheets for the bar bending schedules and all these things, quantity takeoff and all. Only you need to give a standard input, automatically everything gets calculated. Yeah, for that making the sheets, it took nearly 4 to 5 years of time for preparing that standard templates that he will show, and he will teach the quantity survey in a detailed manner. He is having around 43 years of experience. His program will be of 2 weeks from 2nd to 14th. And next one is drones in construction. A lot of people may be thinking, what is there for us to learn in the next? We have completed everything. We have we have something which needs to be learned also. Drones, how we are able to use the drones in construction. It's a 3-day program. Nearly this is about 10th program we are doing online. And we last month March we planned actually offline drone training program also, but due to the COVID this thing, we could not secure the permissions from the department, so we could not able to do. In these 3 days, first day will be about introduction to drones and how the drones are helping the construction industry. There is around 140%, every year 40% of growth is there in this particular industry. Very less people are available, and these drones can be used for the progress monitoring, quality and safety, as well as a lot of projects they are using these drones. The second day will be about the piloting, how the drone piloting is being done. And the third day is about the post processing of data, how the data, whatever captured, can be used for the quantity estimation and various applications. Dr. Malati and team will be sharing. And the finishes, of course, now it is happening parallelly. This is Mr. Suresh V. Ramaya is training the engineers in the finishes. Especially anyone can do the block work up to plaster or complete shuttering reinforcement works, but very few people can handle the finishes because it requires a lot of coordination, and it is a Herculean task because managing the people and the quality, because all are exposed items, and which sequence you have to follow and what is the proper work procedure he will teach. And this is the 14th program in this month we are doing in May month is finishes 14th program we are doing. Already 13 programs we have completed on finishes. So you can refer any architects or engineers. Architects and engineers both can attend. Drones also architects and engineers can attend. Quantity takeoff I prefer mostly the engineers can attend. And next is again Parimal sir is going to take project planning, the same program what we are conducting now. Next month also we are having a lot of finishes students are asked, sir, MSP how can we attend, because both are coming in same time. So we have scheduled in this way so that there is no clash for these programs. And the next one is a green building. Green building is Mr. That is also need for our lot of IT parks, and most of the commercial buildings are going for greener certification. Even the independent houses also going for a green certification. And there are around 28 green rating systems available with the Indian Green Building Council. I am heading the colleges and institutions for Karnataka, Bangalore, and as well as I am the member for national level also advisory board. There is a very good content in this program, green building architects especially, and the green engineers also can attend, because now government is planned all the buildings with the green futures only. They are making government buildings mandatory first, and in the second stage all the private buildings also going to be mandatorily. It will go for green building initiatives. So you will have a detailed study. The first day is about design, second introduction, second day is about green design, third day is about energy conservation in buildings, fourth is about the water conservation and indoor air quality, and the fifth day is about innovation and various other topics. So all this comes in a bundle also. If somebody wants to enroll for all the five programs, the overall cost for individual program is 8692, and for if you enroll for all the five, you will get a better advantage. 4999 is the cost, and your saving is much. Yeah. So based on your requirement and your people's requirement, you can attend daily 1.5 hours is the maximum session. And this is the individual programs I will share in the group. You can also refer some of the students or the working people who are interested. This is this first program will be on English. Mr. Ananthanarayan will be taking off. Second program also is in English, drones in construction. The third program is on Hindi. This starts on 3rd May. Means of course 2 days later, Mr. Parimal is going to take about the bar bending schedules, how to prepare exact steel quantity, and what is the exact procedure as per the various IS codes, and how to control the steel wastage in the projects. All these things he is going to teach. Site finishes I already told. The MSP what you are doing now, and the green buildings, of course this is there. This I am leaving in our group also, you can go through. And about the where I can access the video, someone asked, I will show. Yes. Audience, someone respond?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. See, if you go to this elearn.cmt.co.in website, you can see the login option here. Either using your Google or the Facebook, you can, or you can register with your registered email ID, and the password is password only default. If you want, you can change it later. With this, you can get entry into here the planning engineer course. Of course, it will not be displayed here, but in the back end we have given the access to you, because we don't want to give that one to the self-paced learning, because it can't be done. Only the interactive can happen in the self-paced learning. So you can use that one, that is kept in private mode. Apart from this, around 20 plus courses available, including e-library, which is free access to everyone, where the lot of code books and the handbooks for the project, everything we have kept. Yes, of course, I can't able to spend my time for attending the green buildings in the daytime, sir, but I wanted to, I am very much eager. Means you can purchase the self-learning courses. Green buildings, you can do it. Quantity survey, of course, I won't prescribe for the self-learning. It will be for interactive only. Bar bending English also, I want the audience to take up interactive only. It is for the where I kept it, because here you can have a revision over there. That's the reason it is there. In various languages also we are doing the program in Tamil and Marathi, Hindi, English. So language will not be an issue. And this is a course I wanted for the fresh engineers or the 1 or 2 years experience engineers. You have to look into. It is a vast syllabus from the safety to BIM, all the various topics we have covered. Nearly 100 plus hours of videos are available, and there are enough study materials. It may take for you minimum 4 to 5 months if you have a self study. You will learn lot of things from digital construction to quality assurance, tenders, contracts management, interior, all these things. Nearly 100 plus lessons are available, and short courses also available. Yes, sir, my engineer doesn't know how to prepare the BOQ. He doesn't know how to prepare the rate analysis, quantity takeoff. He does nicely. but you don't know about how to prepare the BOQ and all. So for that purpose, you can ask your engineer to take these kind of a things, or only rate analysis I wanted, or licensing I wanted to learn, digital construction, interior design and site management. In this fully of house in home interiors nowadays, that is huge margins are there. So lot of for all the large companies, I am providing the people engineers for that. Project management, the quality management, and the design management also I am giving for the home lane, live space, Bonito. Lot of companies I am associated, and their syllabus itself, so the content is their content only, and we are providing them. They are very much happy to hire the people regularly from us. Even the preparation of cut list, you are making this BBS for the steel. For the cut list is for the interior works. I don't know. And 2 years before, one of the executive vice president, when he met me, he told, "Sir, I need a cut list for the interior works and all." Then I told, "Sir, experienced people, if you want, then it takes minimum 2 to 3 months, because they have to quit some company and come and join in other company. So it is not possible." Then he told, "There is other option. You give me your syllabus, I will train within 15-20 days. You can get the people expert in particular that area." So that we did, and still the company is hiring with us regularly. Like this, lot of courses available. You can